How to use a link shortener. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to use a link shortener. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in here I will give you the 5 best free URL link shorteners. So the first link shortener that I can give you is Cutly. So if you search for Cutly on your Google, so let's try to search for it, and as you can see it is a URL shortener. So let's click on the first link that you see. And then from in there you can sign up in order to use it. So after you have signed up, you can just paste a long URL and shorten it. So for example, I have a YouTube link right here. So I have this link and I want to shorten it, so I can just paste it and click on shorten right here. And as you can see, we can now copy it, and once you scroll down you can see the copied link. Now, the next thing that I can give you is bit.ly. So let's search for bit.ly right here. From there, you can see this bit.ly URL shortener. So just click on that, and then this will open. And in here, you can also log in or sign up for free, or you can just shorten a link by heading over to here. And then after that, just click on sign up and get your link, and you will get your link on this thing right here once you have finished signing up. The next thing you can do is to head over to the third URL shortener that we have. It is called ISGD. So let's search for ISGD right here. ISGD. And this is that URL shortener. So just click on this. And in here, just paste in the link that we have. Click on shorten right here. And as you can see, the shorten link just goes to this. So just copy on this one. And in here, it is best thing because you don't need to sign up anymore in order to get your shortened URL. So the next thing, or the fourth URL shortener that we have, is a tiny URL. So just search for that, and in here you can see the first link, so just open that, and then it will redirect you to the tiny URL. So just enter your long head right here, and in here you can also enter an alias. So it depends on you. So for me, for example, YT Go Guardian. So you can just click on shorten URL right here, and you can just copy this link right here and share this to your friends. So far, tiny URL trumps them all because Cutly and bit.ly needs an account. ISGD doesn't give you that alias thing, and tiny URL don't need an account and you can give you an alias. Now for the last thing, or the list, and not but the list, is the short URL. So let's search for it, and you can see here the short URL. So click on that, and then from in there you can just paste your link. Click on shorten URL, and then in here, as you can see, there's an error. This is because short URL is down at the moment, but this also functions the same as tiny URL. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use a link shortener. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.